Christmas at the Poolins. Here's their mini Christmas tree. And Aldi presents for Aldi family members. There's Chelsea and Mama. She got a camera too. Hey Charles, why don't you say something?
Okay, if I didn't look at any videos, I would have like washed my hair and put deodorant on or something. Read the directions.
Ew.
Please not to next video.
And Grammy.
Video. Ooh. My iPhone. Ooh.
She killed herself. I was there. I saw.
Did we get into the White Zinfandel early?
No, we haven't.
Mom, show off your iPod.
Product red because I care.
What does trimming mean? Wait, Jen.
Who made that?
Yeah?
Jenny, what does trimming mean?
Trimming?
It says trimming? Yes or no?
Ken?
Yeah,
Mom.
Yes?
that's neat.
I
Highlighted on no.
oh, then no. I don't know what trimming is. My camera doesn't do that.
The outfit, Sunny found the material, which was there all summer. I love it.
Bye.